Hi guys, Dennis here from Denny Bob's RC. Hey, I got a new toy via DHL today. We're going to go ahead and do a little unboxing. See what we got. Okay. I haven't done one of these in a while, so kind of bear with me. And what I did end up buying, I bought it through Toucan Hobby. It's a JDM model 208. It is, we'll just kind of, we'll get to see what it is. Alright. Okay, comes with a charger. Looks like extra track links. Extra hydraulic hose. Oh, another hydraulic fill bottle. Okay. And I try to keep this hard stuff, the foam that these come in, to kind of, if I want to build my boxes later on, I can use that as a form to build my box around. Okay, what do we got here? Looks like the radio. Push that ahead a little bit. See what we got here. Okay, well, it came with the Fly Sky. I want to say this is the T8 or the ST8. I'm not that familiar with this, so this might be a learning situation for me. I have never had one of these radios to date, so I can't really give any, what I want to call, opinions on it. I'm going to set this stuff out of the way over here. I ordered this, oh gosh, it's been a couple of weeks ago now, I think. Okay. Nice little form. Let's see, what do we got here? And I would wager, I know what this is. I don't want to cut it open for fear of what I think it is. I think it's probably a manual. Yes, it is a manual for the JDM-208 1/14 scale hydraulic excavator. And it looks like I also get a set of decals, and I can decal it. Well, it comes with 920, 914, and 918 compact. And it is a Liebherr. Not my first Liebherr. Set some stuff out of the way here. Well, just looking to make sure nothing's damaged. Nothing looks damaged until I get it out of the box here. Okay. Well, let's get this out of the way. Oh, goodness. I needed another excavator, like I needed a hole in the head, so to speak. But let's get that out of the way. And okay. Well, that's kind of neat. It just slides in and out. It comes with a battery. What is this one? It is a 11.1 volt, 5,000 milliamp battery. Looks like it's got an XT30 plug-in on it. Let's see here. Bring it around this side. Looks like we got, is the door shut? I'll be doggone. You gotta it actually has a little door latch. You actually have to turn that and it, oh, wow, okay. Nice little interior. It has that door. I see hinges here. Okay. Alright. Looks like we have a cooling fan. It is a brushless motor. Looks like the reservoir pump and motor are all in one. 3 valves. Which I didn't get the one that has all the extra stuff. I went with a simple one. Okay, this is something that looks like that got bent a little bit. And I'm going to have to be a little careful with that. Looks like that was a rear view mirror that's supposed to swing out. That did get slightly bent, which, when you think about how far these things travel, that does happen. Okay, so that can lock up and it can come down. Oh, alright. And what's on this side? Oh, looks like the power switch is on this side. Okay, and when that slides in, when you slide this all in, the lights and stuff that are on the back of the machine are all plumbed into or wired into that when it plugs in. I don't know if you guys can, probably can't see it very well from where you're at. Okay, that's up. I think what I'll do is I'll kind of grab the camera and we'll kind of take a little closer view at it. It comes without hydraulic oil and everything, so I'll get her paused and get you a little closer view of it. Now, it looks like the hydraulic reservoir's there. There's the pump, and looks like that's where you adjust your regulating pressure and your gauge. And I believe that is either a cooling fan or the sound system. I'm not exactly sure. It's supposed to have sound. Looks like they use a 360 servo to run the slew. The slew's got a little slop to it, but not too bad. But that's supposed to be a 14 scale, and it's supposed to be a zero swing. Or I call them zero swings. I don't know what some guys want to call it. But yeah, this actually has a little thing that you got to push in, and then the side can go down. I'll have to look around. But if you notice, I was talking about the little plug-ins back here for all the lights. And when you slide this rear back on there, that all lines up with the wiring there. Kind of slick, but it makes it a nice way to get the battery in and out. Almost wish I would have ordered an extra battery, but who knows? That might last a long time. It's a 5,000 milliamp 11.2 battery that it came with. It comes with a battery charger and stuff too, but and I know they make a fancier model of this that actually has the third function up here, the detach, and then you can put like a rotator on it. You can do a whole kinds of different things. Boy, and they really use small hydraulic line, like 2 millimeter. That is tiny. Wow, it's nice detailed. They have the line kit here so that if I wanted to, looks like there's another spot to put more tubes in to run here, and then I could sometime put another line kit on it if I wanted to. And I think the fancier one actually has a blade on it as well, but I didn't need all that. But it looks like it's got the digital readout dash and everything in it. I'd really like to get it out and play with it, but what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to conclude this one, this video, and then what I'm going to do is I'll get the manual out and read up on what it's supposed to have, whether it's supposed to have 32 or 46 hydraulic oil in it. I'll get that topped off and kind of look around and maybe get some decals on it. But I want to get the fluids in it. I want to get batteries for the radio. I'm going to double check my battery to see if it's fully charged or not, or if it's good enough to make a demonstration. And looks like it's been etched and serial numbered. But I don't see no spinny light. I'm surprised they don't have one. But it does have boom lights, it looks like. A pair of lights up here. Must be some lights up here. We'll get the radio set up and kind of figure out what it takes. But that's really nice interior. This is probably... I don't think this is I think this might be my first JD models unit that I've ever bought. But I bought it through Toucan Hobby online. I didn't bother contacting any of the representatives like I should have. A lot of times you contact one of the reps from Toucan, and they will get you a better deal, or they'll throw something in on it. This was kind of an impulse buy. I was on their website. I seen it. I've kind of wanted one of these for a while. You can buy it off AliExpress too. I mean, there's multiple places you can buy the JDM-208. But unfortunately, it doesn't have the quick attach bucket. It doesn't have the blade. I bought the plain Jane model. It's supposed to have the sound kit in it. I think it cost me an extra maybe $60 or $65 to have the sound kit installed. So I went ahead and had them do that. But it has been shipped with no hydraulic oil in it whatsoever. So I'll get that filled up, and I will try to do an additional run video of it, and show some of the functionality of it. See if it works. And I want to get all the switches figured out and joysticks and the radio figured out before I go making a fool of myself on camera. I do enough of that as it is. So anyway, catch you guys later.